So day. Hi, good morning by the way for everyone watching. This is our first episode. Welcome to
Drunk broke people.
Abi ganun ako.
DBP.
DBP din natin yung DPS.
Ito DPS gani?
Drunk persons uh, drunk persons system.
System? Ako na nato. Sige, so unsa may language na to? O unsaon man tayo pag-upload?
Good question. Siyempre, kao na to ang Handy Dandy. Morning ato ang opening by Handy Dandy.
Andi dandi.
Kuwan, Yawi. Kaya.
Kaya. Kidaw.
Kaya.
Ako kita ni nga na. 2, 3, 4. Oh,
Ay, oh,
sakto gid ay.
Dili. So, welcome to our first episode of podcast. So, I'm joined. By the way, my name is JC, and this is my good friend Rod. Or so may uncle.
Angkol na lang.
Mga uncle na yung
Mga angkol ni.
mga uncle na yung mga may. So, we're gonna be talking about, well, technically it's under the sun. Yung mga topic na
Anything under the sun.
So, kuan, wait. So,
Sabayan ka na. Sige.
So, di.
Unsa man niya? Tinagalog, English.
So, kung sa
Ayan.
pwede tawag Bisaya, pwede tawag Tagalog, pwede tawag English, pwede tawag Minsik, Narabo, ito bahala. Depende.
Masalamat.
Basically, this is our podcast in terms of what we're gonna be talking about is more on our lives in the BPO industry, how we started, what's going on, how you can start in the BPO, and anything under the sun, basically.
True.
So-
long story.
More likely, yes. So, akong first na pumuntahan na call.
Okay.
Or how did you started in the BPO? What age were you when you started? Or how old were you when you started the BPO industry? And how did it go from there? Ngano naabot ka ning katuang kabuang nga podcast?
So technically, yes, that's a great question. Thank you, JC. Basically, I'm a graduate of culinary arts, so I started way off with different restaurants, and then I attained a position of my own, which is a garmentier, also a sous chef, but it never always paid off. Contract says you work for 9 hours, but that's not true. You're always there for 12 hours or more.
Kuan lang, mutan na lang ako. Garmin niya. Di ba, sinina, brand na sinina.
Hindi ako gusto mo utang na pambalik. Pero, na siya, mahog na siya ganang head chef sa colds, as in salads, appetizers, sandwiches, nga na siya sort, no? So, or side dishes. So, technically, yung starting ako ato kay mga 9-5 bisag rango. But, maulit ko, alas 12 na sa kadlawon. Mata ko, alas 7 na sad sa buntag. Nabiyahe na sad.
Nga, asa makaani ato?
Kato to siyang restaurant dapit sa Banilad, bitawag na. Or kato bitaw munahan sa UC Banilad. Kato na yung flyover. So, di lang tam disclose of name, no? I had my fair share of time.
Di ka naman ka dito. Pwede ra shout out para di makabalo sila nga di ka dito. Ganahan ka.
Ayaw lang kay medyo involved ang mga artista ko dato makuha ownership, no? So, dili ko gusto mo. Sige, butang ta lang, no? Yeah, okay man ang ownership, honestly. It's just that
Di,
the
ibutang
pay-
na nato. I-slur na lang.
Slur na lang to. So, si Steakhouse, ano siya. So, mainly salads, mga laisyo, siya. No prices below 150. Mawag na siya mga type of restaurant. So, honestly, okay ang experience, but dili mo match ang pay, ang kapoy, yung imuhang personal time kay the only rest day I got was half a day off